Alright. PS3. There's little sports. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. That's not too bad. This is a room. Transformers. Farm Simulator, Brave. So a lot of these are just movies. That's the way to sell movies. It's a Blu-ray movie, but then they put in some extra scenes and they make it, special for just Sony. Well, these are Xbox. It's good thing I thought all these are for the PS3. Xbox One. I gotta think about it. These are awesome. This buffer. $20. Diapers. Shoes. Jeans. Oh, wow. Clothes. Women's shoes. Shorts. You got a nice little selection. I like it.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Any washers or dryers for sale?
No.
Any refrigerators for sale?
Yeah.
Okay. Had to ask him. How much is your flashback? Oh, I see. I see the price.
Okay.
$30. I need one, but not that one. So love you too, bro.
Toilet paper.
Mm-hmm.
This piece of art here.
Oh, yeah?
Can you believe that? That's my husband's.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's weird, eh? Toilet paper.
That's made from toilet paper?
Yes.
Oh, now that's disgusting.
Yeah. Well, it's
Used
clean.
toilet? Oh, clean toilet paper? Oh, okay.
Okay, of course.
Oh, all right.
Oh,
Cause that wouldn't bode well with me.
no.
You selling anything back there?
Anything what you see.
Oh, I see.
Anything you see.
How much is this?
If you can unscrew it, I would say $1.
Oh, wow.
You know. You have to. That's my husband, man.
Is
He
he-
built this thing. You can't break it down.
Is he still here?
No, he died in 1st of July.
Terrible.
91 years old, you know.
Okay, that's
Had
okay.
a long life.
I guess okay.
Yeah. He was an engineer for the NASA.
Oh, for NASA?
Yeah, GPL, California.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
And then you guys moved down here?
Yeah, 19 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Anything? What size do you have?
11.
I think this is a 10, never used.
Wow.
Good sneakers, you know, from Coleman's.
Yeah.
Never used, look.
How much are they?
$1, everything, like I said, 10 irons for $5 or
Wow.
$1.
Wow.
You know, I need to get rid of it today.
But you said they're size 10?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can try them on, you never know.
I better not because
Yeah.
they look nice, but they're not. I like having my front foot
Closed.
closed. Yeah, I got surf walkers for the dirty stuff.
Yeah.
All right. So you have awesome stuff. I love it. I
It's
know.
just leftovers.
I hear you.
The house is practically empty. I'm going to Europe in November. Establish my domicile again.
Oh, okay.
I got dual citizenship. And then I come back in January and put the house on the market.
All right, recap. Let's see. There was a hurricane 2 days ago, so I had to clean my car. Still has a little smell in it. I got a little bit of water in. Anyway, 50 cents. That's all I spent. That's all I bought right there. I needed it for my other house. I had $1 on it. I said 50 cents. Brand new, never been used. So it's gorgeous out right now, but I need to check out the beach, and so I'm going to put my bicycle in the car and go down to the beach and check it out because after a hurricane, hurricanes do very interesting things to the landscape down by the beach. And surprisingly, the beach is the thing that didn't flood. The Clusatchee River and Whiskey Creek that I live on here, that flooded. So anyway, hopefully better luck next weekend.